Alright guys, read the codes on this thing. Should still be pending, I didn't clear it. Evap emission, P0449, I'm sorry, I gave the wrong code in the video. I said P0049, but it is a P0449 code. If y'all can see that map. But we're going to go ahead. It says control system vent V1V solenoid malfunction. So we'll go ahead and clear this. This thing was a pretty much an instant code as soon as you turn the key on or as soon as you crank the vehicle. Go ahead and start it up. Got a little bird under the hood here. Leaky belt plate. It warms up the wind. Usually long enough to get a pending code. Read the codes again. No codes found. Passed. Like I said, it usually only took actually probably running for about 10 seconds and the thing would shoot a code. So problem solved. P0449 code cleared. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Hope this helps somebody.